Imagine a world where robots are not just machines, but intelligent partners in crafting the very things we use every day. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's happening right now in factories across the globe. AI in factory robotics is transforming the industrial landscape, blending the precision of machines with the decision-making capabilities of artificial intelligence to create smarter, more efficient production lines. At its core, AI in factory robotics refers to the integration of artificial intelligence with robotic systems to perform tasks traditionally handled by humans or simpler machines. While industrial robots have been around for decades, primarily used for repetitive tasks like welding or assembly, AI adds a layer of intelligence that allows these robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions. By analyzing data from sensors, cameras, and other inputs, AI-enhanced robots can optimize their actions, adjust to changes in the environment, and even predict when maintenance is needed to prevent breakdowns. This capability is crucial for modern manufacturing, where flexibility and efficiency are key. To see AI in factory robotics in action, let's take a closer look at the automotive industry, a sector that has historically been at the forefront of robotic integration. In a modern car manufacturing plant, AI-driven robots perform complex tasks such as painting, welding, and assembly with incredible precision. But it's not just about executing these tasks accurately. These robots are also equipped to deal with variations on the production line. For instance, if a part arrives slightly misaligned, AI allows the robot to adjust its actions in real time, ensuring the car is assembled correctly without human intervention. This adaptability reduces waste, increases efficiency, and significantly speeds up the production process. Furthermore, these AI systems are not static. They constantly learn from the data they collect, improving their performance over time. In the past, a change in the production line would mean costly downtime while robots were reprogrammed. Now, AI allows these machines to adapt autonomously, minimizing disruptions. This self-learning capability is akin to having a workforce that continuously hones its skills, becoming more adept with every task it performs. Imagine a robot that, after identifying a recurring defect, adjusts its operations to rectify the issue without human input. This kind of proactive problem-solving is revolutionizing how factories operate. But the impact of AI in factory robotics extends beyond just efficiency and speed. It also has profound implications for the workforce and economy. On one hand, there's the potential for job displacement as robots take over tasks traditionally done by humans. However, there's also a growing demand for skilled workers who can develop, manage, and maintain these intelligent systems. This shift signals a transformation in the types of jobs available, emphasizing the need for education and training in AI and robotics to prepare the workforce for this new industrial era. Looking to the future, the possibilities for AI and factory robotics are vast. As AI continues to evolve, we might see robots taking on even more sophisticated roles, collaborating with humans in ways we haven't yet imagined. However, this progress is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, such as ensuring AI systems operate transparently and without bias, will be crucial. Moreover, the question of how to balance technological advancement with social impact will remain a central issue as we navigate this new frontier. The integration of AI into factory robotics is not just about enhancing manufacturing capabilities, it's about redefining the very nature of work and production. As we continue to innovate, these intelligent machines will likely become an integral part of our industrial fabric, shaping a future where human creativity and machine precision work hand in hand to build a better world.